Hey agents, are you ready to leave the past behind and embrace the future? eXp Realty is revolutionizing real estate with the latest tools to boost your productivity and satisfaction. Our dynamic, constantly evolving platform ensures you're always ahead of the game. Today, we'll get into eXp World, where over 85,000 agents and staff worldwide engage in a vibrant 3D environment for everything from training and support to client meetings. It's the ultimate space for networking, strategizing, or just grabbing a virtual coffee. Curious about how eXp World can elevate your real estate career? This video is part 1 of 2 to guide you through eXp World. So let's get to it. I'm Carrie Hill, lawyer turned realtor and coach, and I'm with eXp Realty and the Wolfpack sponsor team. When you partner with us, you get more value than anyone else in the real estate business is offering. Learn more at smartagentalliance.com. Free pass. Before we get into all the awesome ways eXp World can supercharge your real estate game, how about a sneak peek on us? Yep, you heard right. We're handing out free passes so you can check out the magic of eXp World for yourself. Our pass is good for 2 weeks, beginning when you receive your pass. To get set up, just email us with your full name. Put free eXp World Pass in the subject line. That's it. We'll get back to you with your exclusive pass. Okay, on to eXp World. What is eXp World? Are you feeling somewhat lost because you don't really understand what eXp World is? eXp World is a revolutionary digital cloud-based world crafted specifically for eXp real estate agents from around the globe. And when we say around the globe, we mean it. Supporting eXp's presence in the 24 global locations that we are currently in, this platform features real-time translation through closed captions. That's right. This feature ensures effortless communication across borders, allowing everyone to participate and understand discussions fully. eXp World is engineered for collaboration, learning, and working together, and with clients, all from the comfort of your couch. Yes, sirree. eXp World leverages virtual reality to transform the real estate business, making your workday faster and smoother. We love that. eXp's cutting technology supports seamless, real-time collaborations, allowing you to share screens, hold meetings, and chat as naturally as if you were in the same room. Communication flows easily with instant messaging, voice chats, and video calls that feel just like face-to-face interactions, because they are. It's just that they're online. Benefits. Imagine logging into a cloud-based customized office where you can meet your clients. Imagine getting all your problems solved easily and quickly. Imagine holding team meetings, joining training sessions, or brainstorming with colleagues. Imagine easily getting all your issues solved, like questions for brokers, transactions, and tech issues, questions about eXp Realty programs and partners, and so much more. It's all there in one location. No need to commute, no need to wait hours to get something resolved. It's a game changer for saving both time and money. Side point, while you can do tons in eXp World, and eXp World is this blog's topic, if it's not your thing, no worries. Using eXp World is not mandatory. eXp offers several other connection methods too. For example, you can email your broker or you can call them 24/7. Seriously, can you call your broker 24/7? eXp Realty is about providing agent choices. That's just one of the reasons eXp Realty is the most agent-centric brokerage on the planet. Okay, let's walk through eXp World together. Start guide. Navigating eXp World for the first time can feel like stepping into a new universe. Your journey begins with website addresses and clicking connect. It's super fast. Once inside eXp World, you'll be in the welcome area. A vibrant virtual landscape will greet you there. But make no mistake, The first time you enter eXp World, you are in the welcome area, but once you're in, you can bookmark any place. So like any of the rooms, or they're called frames. You can bookmark any of those to return directly there when you return. So you don't always have to pass through the welcome area if you don't want to. But we're going to do everything there today. And getting directly to places, that is the power of a web-based experience. Back to your initial experience when you enter eXp World. It's easy to check out the space. Click on the screen and move your mouse. Getting around is also a breeze. Move forward and backward with your up and down arrow keys on the keyboard. Change directions with your left and right keyboard arrows. And if you'd like to move faster, press your keyboard's shift key to speed up. Want to chat with someone? Just click the microphone icon to start talking. Got a question? Ask with the help button in the lower right, or chat with anyone through the chat button, or ask at the welcome desk. Get inside the blue box on the ground so the welcome desk staff can hear you. Or ask Luna. Who's Luna? Great question. Luna is eXp Realty's AI assistant. Luna is fueled by ChatGPT 4 and stands ready 24/7 to lend a helping hand to all eXp Realty agents. Whether you need assistance with daily tasks, quick answers to pressing questions, or guidance on many topics from company policies to listing setups, Luna has got you covered. Tap into Luna's power by clicking the chat button and selecting the Luna tab. Now fire away with any questions or tasks you have in mind. Imagine this scenario. Let's say you're on a final walkthrough with your buyer client and stumble upon a leak in the house. Let's say you're not exactly sure what all the options are to handle this. Let's also say that it's after business hours and you don't want to call your broker in front of your clients. No worries. Enter eXp World on your phone and just ping Luna for swift assistance. Luna is going to give you lots of ideas. But Luna isn't just about troubleshooting. It's also about enhancing productivity and sparking creativity in the metaverse. Further, our visionary leader, Glenn Sanford, foresees more AI tools like streamlining meeting summaries and highlighting the relevant content during discussions, and even improving accessibility for users with hearing or visual impairments. With Luna by our side, the possibilities are endless. Customize your look. When you first enter eXp World, you'll be a robot. But don't stay basic for long. Personalizing your avatar is fun and also reflects your unique identity or brand. Start your avatar customization by clicking the 3 bars at the top right. Choose Profile, then Customize Avatar. Choose avatar type, human, and then choose all the facets of your look from a variety of hairstyles, outfits, and accessories. Or choose Android and stay a robot, but pick your own color. Or choose Ready Player Me to use your picture to create the most lifelike reflection of yourself. Whether channeling real-life style or creating a brand new persona, personalizing your avatar is all about self-expression. Plus, you can easily switch up your look for different meetings or just to keep things interesting. Updating your avatar for special events or whenever inspiration hits is quick and enjoyable, ensuring you always make the perfect impression in every virtual interaction. Live tours. Now that you've chosen your personal look, it's time to get the lay of the land in eXp World. Head over to the welcome area desk and catch one of the live tours offered. Currently, you can jump into one of those 3 times each weekday. To discover the times that these tours are offered, click on the eXp Events and Training calendar. It's hard to miss. Client offices. In eXp World, customization extends beyond just avatars. You can style your own virtual office to meet with clients or colleagues. Get started by clicking the 3 bars at the top right and choosing Frames, then Create Frame. Next, name your space, your frame, and choose an environment from the myriad of choices. There are so many of them. Check it out. Then, after you pick one, decorate your walls with images, PDFs, videos, whiteboards, polls, and streaming screens where you can share your webcam or your screen. When it comes time for meetings, whether they're one-on-one chats or a large group brainstorming session, your frame is a powerhouse. That's screen sharing and virtual whiteboards. They make every meetup more engaging, allowing you to share documents or hash out ideas on the fly. You can also explore neighborhoods with your clients using 360-degree photos, and you can see Google Street View right within the platform. eXp World is built to handle any meeting type with ease. Its virtual setup ensures that you can tailor the experience for optimal productivity no matter the size of your gathering. Of course, remember that agents can also meet in person at one of the 4,000 Regus office business centers located around the globe. So if the virtual office reality doesn't float your boat, eXp has your back. eXp agents can meet in person too at one of these business lounges for free. It's included in your monthly super low $85 fee. Broker support. Need some quick advice or deep dive on a tricky issue? eXp World is your go-to spot. Here, our brokers are ready to focus entirely on you. Furthermore, brokers are part of the eXp Realty staff. They are not paid from your commissions like at traditional brokerages. Every eXp agent gets the full, undivided attention of our brokers. So how do you get to the broker room? Just click Go To, then US Broker Rooms, select your state, and check in. A friendly receptionist will guide you straight to the right expert. And guess what? You hardly ever have to wait. Sure beats tracking down the only broker available at a traditional brokerage office. Pro tip, bookmark your state's broker room, the web URL, for direct, lightning fast access to the broker's office. That's super handy. Okay, there's a lot more to this eXp World tour that you don't want to miss. So look for part 2 of this video topic brought to you by Doug Smart. Make sure you don't miss that video by subscribing and hitting the bell notifications so you'll be notified when we drop the video. In the meantime, to learn more about eXp Realty and the Wolfpack, here's some more videos that should be showing right now. Thank you for watching and have a great day.